Hi everyone, and welcome back to Wondershare Repairit, an all-in-one solution to repair corrupted photos, videos, and files. We're back with another episode, and today we're discussing some effective methods to restore corrupted PDF documents. Whether you're working at a software development firm or still studying in college, PDF documents are likely an important part of your daily life. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to Wondershare Repairit so you don't miss out on any future updates. PDF documents are lighter and can store more data than Word files. That's why most professionals choose PDF format to share files. Unfortunately though, PDF files can be fragile and become corrupted due to different factors. So if you're stuck with a corrupted PDF file, then this is a video for you, because I'll walk you through different methods to recover corrupted PDF files and restore your data. Before we jump into how to repair a PDF file, let's first understand what can cause a PDF to become corrupted in the first place. But there isn't a single reason for file corruption. There are literally dozens of factors that can cause a PDF file to become inaccessible. Here are the most common causes. If you've downloaded your PDF file from a third-party website or from an email attachment, it's possible that the downloading process might have been interrupted, perhaps by an unstable internet connection, and that could have damaged the file structure of the document. Another factor that might corrupt your PDF documents is a corrupted storage device. So if you transfer your PDF files to a corrupted hard drive or USB drive, the improper disk fragmentation is eventually going to damage these files and make them inaccessible. An unexpected system shutdown is one of the most common causes behind file corruption. Let's say you are transferring some PDF files to your hard drive when your computer shut down unexpectedly. It's likely that you will be stuck with a damaged PDF when you restart your system. Finally, if you try to open a PDF file with an incompatible program, it might alter the file structure of the document. So if you work with PDFs on a regular basis, be sure to use a dedicated PDF reader to open them. Now that we've clarified what might be causing the problem, let's run through a few solutions to repair those corrupted PDF files. The easiest way to troubleshoot a corrupted PDF file is by switching the program you're using to load it. In many situations, PDF files become inaccessible due to compatibility issues with the program you're using and not due to file corruption. So instead of dwelling on the problem and trying more advanced solutions, try switching your PDF reader and see if you can load the document. Now, if switching your PDF reader doesn't solve the problem, the next step would be to restore a previous version of the file. Windows has a built-in feature that automatically keeps a backup of your files from time to time. You can use these backups to restore a previous version of the document that was working before it became corrupted. Here's how to restore a previous version in Windows 10. Navigate to the folder where you've stored the corrupted PDF document. Right-click on the file and select Restore Previous Version. You'll see a list of different file versions that your system has backed up. Here, select the version you think would work properly and tap the Restore button at the bottom right corner. And that's it. The selected version of the PDF file will be restored automatically and you'll be able to access it without any hassle. If you still can't load your PDF file, there's a huge probability that the file you're trying to restore is severely damaged. If this is the case, then the methods we've covered won't work, and instead you'll need to use a professional file repair software like Wondershare Repairit. Repairit is full-scale file repair software designed to repair different types of corrupted files. Whether you've corrupted the entire contents of your SD card or just a few PDF files, Repairit will allow you to easily repair different types of corrupted files in just a few minutes. The tool automatically diagnoses the problem and repairs the file, so you can access it without any interruptions. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to repair corrupted PDF files with Wondershare Repairit. Install and launch Repairit on your computer and select the File Repair tab from the home screen. Then click the Add button and add the files you want to repair. You can also add multiple files at the same time, as Repairit does support batch processing. Once the files are loaded onto Repairit's panel, click the Repair button to initiate the repairing process. Once the files are successfully repaired, you can either tap the Preview button one by one to check each file's preview, or simply press the Save All button at the bottom right-hand corner to save the files on your system. And that's it. With 3 easy steps, you've repaired all your corrupted PDF documents and made them accessible. Well, that wraps up today's episode on how to repair corrupted or damaged PDF files. We hope this video has helped you to repair your corrupted PDF files and avoid any data loss. If you're still facing issues repairing your PDFs, leave a comment down below and we'll get back to you with a solution. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Wondershare Repairit so you don't miss out on any future updates. I'm Dan and I'll see you next time.